If you want to resize blocks on Squarespace quickly and confidently, this video is going to walk you through the simplest way to do it step by step. Whether you're trying to make a text block wider, adjust an image block so it fits better, or change the height of a section so your layout looks cleaner, Squarespace gives you easy drag handles to control the size of your blocks. This is one of those small design skills that can make a big difference in how professional your website looks. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Squarespace page in the editor and go to the section where the block you want to resize is located. Once you click on the block, you should see blue handle dots appear around the corners and edges. These handles are what you'll use to adjust the size of the block. If you don't see them right away, just click the block once more so Squarespace knows you want to edit that specific element. Now let's start with horizontal resizing. To make the block wider or narrower, move your cursor to one of the side handles. Click and drag that handle left or right depending on the direction you want to go. As you drag, Squarespace will snap the block across the grid columns, which helps keep your design aligned and structured. This is especially useful if you want the block to line up with other content on the page or if you want to create a more balanced layout. If you're working with a text block, making it wider can help reduce line breaks and make the content easier to read. If you're adjusting an image or button block, changing the width can help it fit better within the surrounding design. The key here is to watch how the block snaps as you move it because Squarespace uses a grid-based system and that makes placement much more precise. Next, let's look at vertical resizing. To change the row depth, click and drag the top or bottom handle of the block. Dragging the top handle upward or the bottom handle downward will increase the block's height. Dragging in the opposite direction will make it smaller. This is useful when you want more breathing room around your content or when you need to tighten up a section so it doesn't take up too much space. For example, if a block feels too tall and leaves a lot of empty space, you can reduce its vertical size so the page looks cleaner. On the other hand, if your content feels cramped, giving it a little more height can improve spacing and a visual flow. The goal is to make the page look intentional and easy to scan. As you resize, keep an eye on how the block interacts with the rest of your layout. In Squarespace, a small change in width or height can affect the overall composition of the page. If you have multiple blocks in the same area, resize one carefully so everything stays aligned and visually consistent. It often helps to make small adjustments instead of huge drags, especially if you want a polished final result. Another useful tip is to preview your changes as you go. After resizing the block, take a quick look at the page in preview mode or on different screen sizes if available. That way, you can make sure the block still looks good on desktop and that the spacing feels right. Sometimes something that looks perfect while editing needs a tiny adjustment once you see the full page, and that's really all there is to it. To resize blocks on Squarespace, click the block to reveal the blue handle dots, drag the side handles to adjust the width, and drag the top or bottom handles to change the height or row depth. Once you understand those 3 steps, you can fine-tune almost any block on your site and make your layout look much more professional. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy website tutorials, Squarespace tips, and step-by-step design guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.